Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, it's home goods swap. Let's jump right in. So if you're new to our channel, hey y'all, how y'all doing? My name's Shakema. I'm a single mom. I have 4 children, 2 girls, Alana and Shamika, 2 boys, Trandon and Jackson. We have a fur dog. Her name is Gracie. I also have a fur grand dog. His name is Acro. We're living our best life. We're doing all the things at our house. So you guys, today's a home goods swap. Home goods, what does that mean? So here's what it is. You have all these nice things in your house that they're still nice, have a lot of life left in them, but you don't love them anymore, or they don't bring joy to you. Like Marie Kondo says, if it don't bring joy, put it out. So instead of just taking it straight away off to the, the Goodwill or Salvation Army, wherever you donate, battered women's shelter, whatever, wherever you donate, instead of taking it there first, you get together with a group of your lady friends. If you have guy friends that home goods swap, get them too. My lady friends. And you put all your things out. They bring all of their things. Same concept. It's a declutter process. They bring all of their stuff. Y'all, it's hot and I'm sweating. And you guys put it all out. You provide a little bit of food, a little bit of a snacky snack, whatever you got. And everybody just swaps. You share all of your things. They take what they want. You take what you want from their stuff. And whatever is left over at the end of the swap immediately goes to charity. You immediately take it. That way it's not sitting in your house. So I've got, clothes. I have some kitchenware items. I've got a couple things. I didn't have a lot because I honestly declutter. I've probably got more jewelry pieces, some purses and different stuff that I didn't go through yet. So a friend of mine was already texting me. She was like, we need to do this at the end of the season because I need to go through my stuff more thoroughly. Yes, girl. So it's a way to refresh your house. It's a way to get a few new pieces without having to spend money that you may not have. I know a lot of us are on a debt-free journey over here trying to do the best that we can, but you want to update your space. You want to put in a few things. You want to make sure that your home feels nice, refreshed. I got to turn the air down, y'all. I'm sweating. Oh, good glory. This is not for the people. But I wanted to share it with you guys. Lord have mercy. Oh, no, ma'am, not today. Normally we keep the air about 76, but it is hot. So I've turned it down to 70 because there's going to be people in my house as well. It's just about 5 ladies, I think, that are coming. 4 or 5 ladies is not a lot. If you're still in, quarantine mode or self-quarantine or whatever you're doing and you don't want a lot of people in your home, I thought about hosting it outside and I'm glad I didn't because for the last 2 days it's been raining, like really, really raining. And we're supposed to have isolated thunderstorms today. So what that did for me was that made it so that I could just do it in the house. We set up stuff last night with Alana here, and then Jackson helped me get all the snacks done this morning. So I did my Titus 2 group this morning. Y'all, it's 1 year ago today that we started Titus 2 Women. If anybody is interested in Titus 2 Women, I think there's this information down in the description box below. First Love Ministries is my ministry. The ministry that God gave me. It's not mine. It's the ministry that God allows me to facilitate over. I am an ordained pastor. In case anybody was wondering, I'm licensed as a minister as well. So I do want you guys to go down, check it out. If you're interested, let us know. We'd be happy to have you guys. So let me turn my camera around and show you what I'm providing for the ladies. Alrighty, you guys. So we just put out a simple spread. Everybody's encouraged to bring something, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough. The last time I hosted a swap, I did not have enough food and it bothered my spirit. So if I have too much, it's no problem. We'll always eat it. And if it's not enough, I did ask everybody to bring something to share this time. So I just have regular waters. I'm not doing a beverage. Usually I do a signature beverage. Not today, no time. Towels and paper towels and plates. We're doing strawberries. I'm doing Whole30, so I had to have Whole30 snacks that I could eat. So strawberries and cherries. This is a whole watermelon. This is a kind of like a taco queso dip-ish type of thing. There's some chicken and beef and onions and peppers down in there. Then I have these chili garlic chips. I wish I had, I would love to try those, but of course I'm Whole30. I've got pork rinds for me, lightly salted tortilla chips, and then I've got apples. This is almond butter with a little bit of salt and raisins for Whole30 folks, and then there's some cookies. Some of the family is bringing their kids. because their plans for childcare fell through at the last minute. So I just wanted to make sure I had stuff for everybody that is going to be here. And then I'll show you the things that I am putting in the swap for today. All right, I've got some dishes here, some plates. I just pulled those out. I've got some Pyrex dishes. These 2 glass jars were actually in my bathroom, but they do not bring any love to my bathroom, so I'm putting them out. Ice tray, these 3 dishes or containers, I'm sure I could use them, but they're not. I think the ceiling needs to be redone, and I don't have time for that. Couple of buckets or baskets here. Moving into this space right here, I have this gorgeous painting. I love that pink car, and I've always wanted that to be in my bedroom, but I don't have anything. Oh, Lord. Must be people getting here. Okay, so this and this mirror is going as well. Hey, hey, hey. This basket is going. This toolbox, and then I have some clothes. Jackson, will you come and help Miss Amanda? I've got clothing items and shoes. And so our guests are starting to arrive. Oh, and this Christmas tree. I did not have time, but girl, I want it for you. Yes, I do. Look, all the things are going away. All the things. Look at all the things.
She said all the things is going.
All the things are going. All the things. All of the things I did.
The one behind
it.
Yours. I was about that one does look familiar.
It wipes off. I hope. I'm praying.
This is just a tray I had on my ottoman.
I remember that.
I mean,
who brought that red picture? I want that red picture. Celine did. I'm gonna take that one. Yes. I want that one.
Those are just bamboo sticks. You can use them for anything.
Perfect. All of the
things. This is just a hook. These are just random things I got as gifts that used to match. I mean, my kitchen is black and white, but I don't have room for decor.
I saw towels.
What's in here? Is this stuff
school
going?
stuff? No, well, that's some stuff for homeschool.
Ruffle fluffle.
Ruffle fluffle.
That's a ruffle fluffle.
Yes, ma'am. Oh, I didn't see that. That's a LuLaRoe.
These are LuLaRoe. I just don't. I have some. These are just ones I don't wear.
They're cute,
and
though.
This one feels very good. It is not. It's not like the cottony. It's more like spandex.
Is it my size though?
I mean, honey, these are Irma's. They can be anybody. They're black.
Gotta be black.
I have black hoops.
Well, I gotta be black.
These are some hoops.
Hold on, I'm coming.
You don't need no black hoops.
Oh.
You ain't got no ear piercings.
Ear piercings.
I thought you were taking them.
You said let me see them.
Okay, here. I see them. Here, you want them?
You take them. You said you wanted to see them. I am the seller, and I take second
Do you
place.
want them?
No.
That's what I
She said I take second place.
Hold on.
Look at this. She said I
Here's
take
some
second
fishing
place
line.
after them 3 spotters. She said mine. Mine.
Oh, another one. Nobody jumped at first. So I'm like, okay. Do you want the sweaters? You can have the sweaters. Do you want the sweaters? This is
No. We want
so
you to have the sweater.
Diane Hutto to wear when she go fishing. So
At the river.
At one with the water.
At the river.
At the river.
That is not what the river
Okay, but look at this. How fun is this? All eyes on me in the center of the ring, just like a circus. Or you can flip it like that. Flip the script. And then you'd be like leather. Or rings. Leather. Rings. There we go.
Jesus. All right, y'all. So here we have all of the things that did not get taken. Well, some of the things. Some stuff still in the trunk. And I am heading now to the Goodwill. So we don't let anything sit. As soon as everybody is done shopping and the time is over, everything gets put into the vehicle and we go straight to the donation center. Guys, the home goods swap is done. I've been to the Goodwill. I've taken everything there that was left over from the swap. And now I will show you my items. I did not get a lot this time, which is perfectly fine because, you know, I need a lot of stuff. So let me turn my camera around and show you what I did get. All right, I got this LuLaRoe dress. It's a high-low. It's called the Irma. It's like a blue and red orange color. That is what I got. I got this dish. It's 3 tray. I'm using this. I'm going to use it for some jewelry in my bathroom. So I got that one. Okay. I got this. It's a nightgown. And let me tell you why I got this. One of the girls bought it on Amazon, and it was too small for her. She said she got the biggest size they had, and it was too small. So I'll tell you why I picked this up. So I have been, you guys, if you've been watching me for any length of time, know I have been praying and asking God, you know, for a spouse, for a husband. And as of yet, the Lord has not answered that prayer, but I'm still praying. And so one of the ladies that was here today, her name is Miss Cindy, and she said, Shakema, you have to start investing into what you're praying for. And so that made a lot of sense. So it just makes a lot of sense to just have some things, you know. You're praying and you're asking God for certain things, and you just start making investments into yourself. And that's why I got that. Also, this was a bathrobe set for the same purpose. You know, who knows when I'll use it, but I'll have it, right? I don't know when I'll use it, but I will already have it. This was a coupon binder that one of the girls brought by just in case somebody I know needs one, or I need to teach a class. It's already set up and that kind of thing. So that's ready to go. I also got this cart. One of my homeschool friends came over and she's like, Shakema, I got this cart for you if you need it. And I was like, yeah, I don't have a homeschool cart. Now I have a cart that I use for work, but it's my work cart. So it's at work. I'm in the summer now, and I may need to move things and take things around. And so I picked up this cart. It does have a handle that extends, so that is helpful as well. And this folds. It folds closed. The other thing that she gave me are some of these little folder things that you actually put, you can put papers in and do dry erase. For these are homeschool resources. There's some folders. There are some markers, staple removers. I also got this camera, quick cam. And these are just a lot of homeschool supplies. There are some things in here that I will pass along to some of the other homeschool moms, because we don't do popsicle sticks and any of those types of things. So I'll pass those along to some of the other homeschool moms. But I will keep some of those items. She brought that specifically for me, and I was thankful for it. Another lady brought some kitchen towels, and I picked up some of those because some of mine could stand to be replaced. And this is probably one of the best finds. These are Jessica Simpson's. They're size 8. I love these. Really, really nice pair of shoes. I love shoes. Shoes are my thing. So I always love shoes. And then the last couple items that I did pick up. This is a crystal for angel eggs. It's an egg holder. And then I got this kitchen table book. It has 1,427 kitchen cures and pantry potions. So I thought that would be good to have on hand. And then another kitchen towel, and then a wooden salad bowl. So I thought that would be really neat to have. But those are the things that I picked up from the swap. So there it is, you guys. A really quick, neat idea to be able to do with some of your friends. It didn't cost me anything except the food. Nobody ended up bringing anything to share. So I was glad that I picked up a few extra things. And then they did have their little kids. So it was helpful to be able to have the things that we were able to have here. Because if not, we wouldn't have had anything. Oh, and I did get a ceiling fan. It's a ceiling fan. It'll go in one of the kids' rooms. That was the big ticket item that I did get. But one of the ways to declutter, clean out your house, and then see, still be able to get some nice things for your space, and to maybe pass some things along to somebody else for their space. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. We hope that you enjoyed. I didn't get a lot of pictures. We were just talking. We did the swap. Everybody kind of started swapping before the swap started. And then we just sat and talked and we laughed. And it was so good to belly laugh, really. I mean, it was really an amazing experience to hang out with some of these ladies. One of the homeschool moms, we are friends online, but we had never actually hung out together. And I was so glad that she came over. And, oh, there's one more thing I got, and she brought it. It's this beautiful, gorgeous picture. So she brought that one, and I was like, oh yes. Because of course, everything in my house is red of some kind. So I was just so very thankful to get that one. I really do love that one. But yeah, that's all I got. So anywho, just an idea for you. Not sure if a home good swap would work for you or your home, but I would give it a try for sure. So there it is, you guys. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you liked the video, thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.